What's going on, everyone? Do a quick video right here. I haven't seen any videos on this. I looked it up. I think this may work, so we're gonna find out together. This is a 2014 Ford Edge Limited. The defrost is stuck on, which means the AC actuator door is not responding. If you look, the AC is set to blow out here, and as an example, you can see there's nothing coming out. It's all coming out up there. Even if I turn it all the way up, nothing. We're gonna try resetting it and see if we can get the actuator door to go back to the correct placement. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn off the car. We're going to turn it on, but not the engine. We want the car on, but not the engine. So we have to hit the power button twice without putting our foot on the brake. So we hit the power button twice without our foot on the brake. It turns everything on. Let's go ahead and turn this off. We are going to hit the power button and the defrost button, but we're going to hold the power button like this, touch the defrost button, take our hand off, and hit the power button 2 more times. I don't know if you can hear that. I don't know if the camera or the phone picked that up, but it made a bunch of noises. I think we may have done it. Let's give it a shot. And turn the power on it back on. I'm gonna hit max AC. That should make it blow out the vents. And look at that. Look at that. See it? See it blowing now? So we have reset the AC actuator door. Once again, press down and hold the power button. Tap the defrost button. So hold this, tap that, let go of the power button, and then tap the power button 2 more times. It resets the actuator door. All right, guys, here's your little tip or trick. If you got a 2014 Ford Edge, I think it's the same. This is a limited. I think it's the same for any of the Ford Edge Limited 2013, probably up to, I think, 2017, if my memory serves me correct. But basically, if you have a layout like this, if this is the layout you have in your Ford Edge, this is how you reset the actuator door. Have a good one.